Unraveling Unverified, exploring the unchecked and the untested. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a term that you've probably come across in various contexts: unverified. Understanding such terms not only helps in building your vocabulary but also aids in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just polishing up your English skills, this video is for you. Let's get started on unfolding what unverified really means. The word unverified is made up of two parts: the prefix un, meaning not, and the word verified, which comes from the verb verify. To verify something means to check, examine, or test it to make sure it is true, accurate, or meets a certain standard. When something is unverified, it means that it has not been checked, tested, or proven to be true or accurate. It's like a rumor or a story that nobody has confirmed yet. Let's look at how to use unverified in a sentence. This part is crucial for understanding the practical application of the word in everyday conversation or writing. The reporter refused to publish the story until the information was no longer unverified. Social media is full of unverified claims that can sometimes cause confusion or spread misinformation. By practicing with these examples, you can learn how to incorporate unverified into various sentences and contexts correctly. Understanding the context in which unverified appears can further clarify its meaning and use. Unverified can crop up in news and journalism, emphasizing the importance of fact-checking before believing or sharing information. Science and research, where results must be verified to be accepted as valid. Social media and online content, cautioning users against taking every piece of information at face value. Legal and official documents, where claims and statements must often be verified for processes to proceed. Recognizing these contexts will help you better judge when and why an assertion is considered unverified. So, why is verification important? Let's discuss the impact of unverified information and why it's critical to seek out verified facts. Preventing misinformation. Understanding the difference between verified and unverified information can help prevent the spread of false news. Making informed decisions. Decisions based on verified information are more likely to lead to successful outcomes. Building credibility. Sharing verified information increases your reliability as a source or individual. Learning to question and verify information is a valuable skill in the information age. That's a wrap on our exploration of the word unverified. Remember, next time you come across a piece of information, ask yourself, is this verified? This practice will not only enhance your language proficiency but also contribute to a well-informed community. Keep learning, keep questioning, and until our next video, keep nurturing your love for the English language. Happy learning, and see you next time.